Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So, we're checking out the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, the renewed version, right?
And going head-to-head with the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine, the KES 8556SX in stainless steel. This is for serious coffee lovers.
Definitely. Let's see how they stack up and figure out which one deserves a spot on our countertop. Okay, the Philips machine boasts 5 different coffee options, like espresso, coffee, and cappuccino, all at the touch of a button. Simple and quick.
The KitchenAid really expands your horizons with 15 recipe options. Espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, and more personalized drinks. It lets you store your own recipes too. Talk about variety and customization. If you're a coffee connoisseur, those extra options on the KitchenAid might be a game changer, right?
True, but the Philips has this LatteGo system. They claim it creates silky smooth milk froth using cyclonic frothing, and it's exceptionally easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no hidden tubes, and dishwasher safe. Cleaning in 15 seconds?
The KitchenAid uses a milk hose you place into your own milk container with automatic frothing and heating. It delivers the exact amount of milk you need.
Cleaning time's a big deal. That super easy clean of the Philips is tempting, especially if you're making milk-based drinks daily. The Philips also has ceramic grinders adjustable in 12 steps, letting you fine-tune your grind, and they're supposed to last for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
The KitchenAid features automatic smart dosing technology. The built-in grinder is designed to give you the ideal volume and consistency for every drink selection, taking out the guesswork. That smart dosing sounds pretty handy for consistent results, especially if you're not a barista.
Plus, the Philips claims you can make up to 5,000 cups without descaling, thanks to its AquaClean filter. Less maintenance is always a win.
The KitchenAid has a removable bean hopper, which makes it super easy to empty, exchange, or refill with fresh beans.
Good point. Changing beans easily is nice if you want to switch between regular and decaf or different roasts.
Right, and the KitchenAid has a durable, metal-clad construction. It feels more robust and built to last. Plus, it's made in Switzerland.
The Philips dimensions are about 17 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 15 inches high.
The KitchenAid is a bit more compact, at 18.5 inches deep, 10.2 inches wide, and 14.3 inches high.
So the KitchenAid is slightly more compact, but not by much.
Yeah, and it has a touchscreen and button controls, giving you multiple ways to interact with the machine.
The Philips is a renewed product, so it's been inspected and tested to work and look like new, but it's not technically brand new.
The KitchenAid is brand new, straight out of the box. That's definitely something to consider, especially regarding warranty and potential lifespan. And the KitchenAid is currently available for $1,199.99. And it's even got an Amazon's Choice badge. The Philips is currently unavailable, which makes the decision a little easier.
Definitely a lot to consider when picking an espresso machine. Hopefully, this helps you make the right choice for your coffee needs. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.